Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today's a little extra pixie dust. We're doing a mocktail from Universal Studios Mythos. We're going to do a cranberry nogarita. So what we have here is just a standard margarita glass. I've got some lime juice. I'm just going to kind of spin this through here. And then we're going to use a little bit of red sugar because it's nice and festive. And we're going to rim up this glass. There we go. And now into our cocktail shaker, which has just got some ice in it, about a third of the way full. I'm going to add lime juice, orange juice, cranberry juice, and then I'm going to pop the lid on, and we're going to give this a little shake, get it all mixed up and nice and cold. See if I can get off the top. Okay, now we're going to pour this in here. I'm probably going to leak because it always does on me. And as promised, there's my drippy little leaks. And then to finish it, we're going to add in some fresh cranberries. A couple more. And a lime wedge. And there you have it, a cranberry nogarita. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.